Today we're gonna fix the font not embedded error from the PAC 2021 checker when checking for PDF UA compliance. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. Let's jump right in. So font not embedded. I need to open up my print production tool, select pre-flight. We're going to select our wrench icon and type the word font. And there's an option in here called embed missing fonts. Select fix, save the file, and let's test the document. If you want to find out more about how I can help you get accessible, check out the link below this video and let me help you get accessible. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 5,000 subscribers. Let's make it happen. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.